In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot your Google Ads campaigns effectively, part 1, which will guide you through some foundational steps to identify and address potential issues. Let's get started. First, let's head to the Google Ads homepage. You can easily find it by searching Google Ads in your browser, or you can type in ads.google.com directly into the URL bar. This platform lets you grow your customer base and drive sales through strategic online advertising. Once you're on the main page, you'll notice a prominent sign-in button, usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that to access your account. Upon signing in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home. This is your central dashboard where you can view all active campaigns and their performances at a glance. Taking a moment to get familiar with this page can be incredibly helpful. It gives you a bird's eye view of what's happening across your campaigns. Once you're comfortable with the overview, let's move on to the next step. Now look for the Tools icon. This is usually represented by a wrench symbol and is typically located in the top navigation bar. Clicking on Tools will reveal a drop-down menu with various options to manage and optimize your campaigns. For the purposes of today's session, we're particularly interested in the Troubleshooting section. Select Troubleshooting from the menu. This valuable tool helps diagnose and resolve issues that may be affecting your campaign's performance. Whether it's ad disapproval or keyword conflicts, the troubleshooting section is where you'll start your investigation. Spend a little time here, as solving issues in this section can greatly enhance the efficiency of your ads. Next, transition your attention to the Policy Manager. Clicking on Policy Manager brings up a list of any policy violations or issues flagged by Google Ads. Staying compliant with Google Ads policies is crucial for maintaining your campaign's effectiveness. This area will help you understand why certain ads may be disapproved or why your account might be restricted using clear feedback from Google's system. If you notice any red flags, take note of Google's advice on how to rectify the violations. And there you have it, the foundational steps to begin troubleshooting your Google Ads campaigns. By following these instructions, you'll be better equipped to identify and address issues promptly, ensuring optimal performance and compliance. Be sure to check back for part 2 as we delve further into advanced techniques. Thanks for joining me today and happy advertising.